DNA repair systems evolved under conditions very different from modern life. For most of human history, cells dealt with damage from normal metabolism, natural radiation, infections, and physical stress. These pressures are intermittent and relatively limited in scope. Modern environments are different, not because damage is new, but because exposure is broader, more persistent, and more complex. Cells now face thousands of synthetic chemicals, chronic low-level pollution, sustained metabolic stress, disrupted biological rhythms, and prolonged inactivity. Each of these adds pressures, not just to DNA, but to the systems that repair it. Over time, these small effects accumulate. At this point, DNA biology meets everyday life. Health becomes inseparable from how we live, not because lifestyle controls genes, but because it affects the conditions under which repair systems must operate.